Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to update Toyota Camry software. You can keep your car's infotainment system running smoothly and securely with the latest features. We'll cover two primary methods: over-the-air updates for newer models and USB drive updates for others. Staying current ensures optimal performance, enhanced connectivity, and access to all the newest capabilities your Camry offers. Let's get started on improving your driving experience today. First, let's check for updates. For newer Camry models, connect to Wi-Fi, then navigate to Settings, System, and Software Update on your infotainment screen. The system will check automatically. If you have an older model, you'll need a USB drive. Prepare it by formatting it to FAT32, ensuring it has at least 2 GB of storage, and locate your vehicle's identification number. To install, if you're doing an over-the-air update, simply follow the on-screen prompts to download and accept the terms. For USB updates, visit the official Toyota update portal, enter your VIN, and download the correct QI file to your formatted USB drive. Then, insert the USB into your Camry's port, turn on the ignition, and follow the installation instructions on your display. Keep your engine running throughout the process. Once the installation is complete, your system may restart. Confirm the update was successful on your screen. You'll then be able to enjoy enhanced features, improved security, and better overall performance from your Camry's software. Regular updates ensure your vehicle operates at its best, providing a smoother and more connected driving experience. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.